Whoa, that's really thick. It's really thick. Just in case you decide to cry over the fact that Justin Bieber is not with Selena. Oh no! I went out of the line. If I was in kindergarten, I would have been pissed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial inspired by Ariana Grande's cover for ELLE Magazine, and she looks absolutely amazing. And I had to just pop on the camera and do this look for you guys. I'm so happy with the results. It was really easy to do. I just used a handful of products, and all of the products that are shown in this video are actually new to me and probably to you as well. This is a non-sponsored video, so do not feel stressed about that, okay? Let me know any of your thoughts, comments, and requests in the comment section down below. And before we get started, if you have not already joined my family, don't forget to do that by clicking that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now, as you guys can see, I have no makeup on. All I have is my moisturizer and my eye cream seeping into my skin, so I thought I would just let that have a second to do its magic, do its work. While I explain what products I use. So the first product I use is Pour Moi's Climate Smart Temperate Day Cream, and this is in mild and normal. I love this product. I actually talked about it in a previous post, but this video is not sponsored. I just honestly really do like this product. I've been noticing so many changes in my skin, and if you guys have been following my channel for some time, you know that I have not had any injectables in my face, and I'm trying to keep it as natural as possible, especially because this day and age it's really easy to be really critical on ourselves and the way that we look, instead of using that energy and put it into like actually embracing the way that you look and being grateful for the vessel that you've been given. So I'm just trying to do everything possible before I go down that route. Now, I'm not saying that I'll never do it. So if you have it, I'm not hating on you, girl. I'm just saying that's just not my journey yet. Next, I did apply a little bit of Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex, and I applied this really thick, nice little serum to underneath my eyes and over my lids, and then whatever I had left over, I just used it and swiped it up. I'm going to be applying my foundation, and this foundation is new to me. It's from Bobbi Brown. This is their Sccastaneda Weightless Foundation SPF 15. This is a full cover oil-free shine control product, and I'm going to be trying Warm Natural 4.5 to begin with, and hopefully it looks good. And I'm just thinking, if it's too dark, I can always calm down the color using a concealer, but let's try to see if we can find our perfect swatch or perfect shade. This one looks really yellow. I'm gonna try another color just to be safe. This one here is For Natural. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the color in between the two because they're starting to run together. I'm trying not to wear as much foundation as well, so I'm just going to be concentrating on the parts that need the most concealing. So right here around the areas of my face that are struggling. Ooh, you guys, okay, obviously this video is a bunch of new products to me, right? Something smells like eucalyptus, and I am all about it. Oh my goodness, I don't even think I'm gonna need concealer. Look how well this is covering on my face, and it looks so good. It does not feel heavy at all. Like I said, it was starting to run on my hand a little bit, but nothing aggressively. Like, it's still pretty thick, but it does move. Random fact of the day, my mom almost named me Bobbi, Ricky, or Tony, but she went with Sonia because there was this cool song that I will not sing for you guys because it's really bad. Next up, I'm going to be using a concealer from Mercier, and this is their Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Concealer, and I am going to be trying out the shade number 3W, and I'm hoping that this is not too dark, because right now, the way that my foundation is drying down, it's looking pretty light, so I'm scared that it might be like too dark. Oh, that's okay. It's on the thick side, so I know this is going to be a full coverage situation, especially because it's ultra long wear concealer. It's probably going to stay with me for the rest of my life, so I better be careful. I'm going to just make a few lines underneath my eyes. Whoa, that's really thick. It's really thick. Holy smokes. Now the reason why I went back in with the concealer, even though I know I probably didn't need it because of how well the foundation covered my eyes and the entire face, but Ariana Grande's face in this look that I'm trying to copy is actually pretty flush because she's younger than me, okay? Let's just be real here. Okay, now the thing with this concealer is I can actually feel how heavy it is underneath my eyes. It's not like it's dragging my face down, but I can feel the weight difference from the foundation versus the concealer. So if you're bothered by that, don't do it. But it's really thick, but it actually blends really well, as you guys can see. It is on the shiny, tiny side, so I'm going to have to mattify that to death. And I'm going to do that now. And I'm using a new product from Urban Decay. This is their all-nighter waterproof setting powder. Not that you need to be jumping into lakes, ponds, or rivers wearing this setting powder, but just in case you decide to cry over the fact that Justin Bieber is not with Selena. Oh, hopefully this is not too light because this is my first time using it. Oh, nice. The color is actually really nice. It's not leaving like a transition shade from the rest of my face. It's just like matte, not matte, matte, not matte. Because she looks pretty natural. I know there's a filter and some editing going on there, but she looks so damn good. Okay, so next we are going to go in with some contour. I'm going to be using a product from Victoria Beckham's collaboration with Estee Lauder, and it looks like this. Beautiful compact. Take a little bit of this and load up my brush and start to chisel in my cheeks. Next up, I'm going to be trying a blush from NARS. This is their Orgasm blush. It's one of their favorite and stapled products within the brand, and it's a beautiful, beautiful pinky shade, and it looks intense in the pan, but actually it complements almost every skin tone that I've seen. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and dust that to the apples of my cheeks, not going any further than that. So just here for a really light flush. It's supposed to make, never mind, I'm not even going to explain the name. Next up, I'm going to be doing some highlighting, and I'm going to be using another product from NARS, and this is actually their Orgasm. Holy Toledo, that's gonna make a flippin' mess. Okay, listen, I love NARS, but I don't like these sifting looking plugs. Why? So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this right here. Oh, okay. That is gorgeous. Oh my word. Before I start my eyes, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows because they are a little bit crazy. So I'm going to do my eyebrows using a product from Urban Decay. This is their Brow Beater in Warm Brown. This goes on so quickly. It's amazing. And since it's kind of like a really fine tip pencil, I can draw on hairs and it looks so natural. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the World Traveler palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking this shade called Morocco. This looks similar to the one that she's wearing in the cover, so I'm just going to go ahead and dust this all over my lids. She has a little bit of the same color right underneath the eyes to give it a slightly smoky look. Next, I'm going to be tightlining and also filling in my waterline using the Urban Decay All-Nighter Eyeliner. This is in the shade Perversion, so it's just like a mechanical pencil. So I rarely do this, and the reason why I don't do it very often is because I feel like it makes my eyes appear smaller. She has small eyes already, and oh no! I went out of the line. If I was in kindergarten, I would have been pissed. And tightlining, pretty much just go and mark up the line on the top. This is going to create like a really dark sandwich. As you guys can see, it's a little bit more intense on this side than this. I've got skills, and I'm okay with poking my eye, but usually you would hold over your skin, or if your eyes are not saggy like mine, you don't have to do that. Now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes, and Then I'm going to use a coat of Pretty Vulgar's eyelashes in Feathers. And this one in particular is in the shade Raven. Now in her photograph, it looks like she has no lashes, like no false lashes anyway. So I'm gonna keep them really natural and try to stay as true to the photograph as possible. And we are almost done here, guys. I'm just going to be lining my lips using a new pencil from MAC Cosmetics in Barely Bare. This is just a lip pencil, and I'm going to line my lips and kind of overdo my lines because her lips are pretty full. So overline just a bit so that bottom lip looks a little bit more plump. Then I'm going to go ahead and top that off using a new a lip product from Lancome, and this is their, I have no idea. I have no idea what this is called, but I will find out and I'll put it in the description box down below. It's actually really thin. It feels like water. I was not expecting that at all. And this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and spending time with me, because I absolutely love spending time with you guys and reading your comments. Don't forget to let me know. Don't forget to let me know what celebrity you'd like me to do the next look on in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!